In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect air conditioner with mobile LG. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which LG air conditioner model you have, you can easily connect it with a smartphone, giving you control over the settings and the preferences of the air conditioner using your smartphone. So this will be done if your particular model of LG air conditioner supports Wi-Fi, because you will have to connect it to the LG ThinQ app. So if you cannot use Wi-Fi on your air conditioner, then sadly this method is not going to work. So what you have to do, like I said, is to ensure that it has Wi-Fi capabilities. Usually there will be a Wi-Fi indicator on your AC unit, and as long as it is enabled and good to go, then you can download the LG ThinQ app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you have the LG ThinQ app installed, create an account and log into it. Within your account, what you have to do is tap the plus sign at the top of the screen and choose the option to add a new device. You can configure rooms around your house if you prefer, but you don't have to. Just to add the AC, it is optional. If you choose Add Devices, you can now look for air conditioners under the list. So make sure that you choose LG. If you have an air conditioner from another brand, you have to select it from here. But for LG, it is going to be available by scrolling down, and once you choose air conditioners, you can choose the particular model, so household or commercial. For most people, it is going to be household. Now, the way that you establish this connection is by using a Wi-Fi network. So usually they are going to provide you with instructions on how to connect the AC to the same Wi-Fi network as your smartphone. So you go to the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone and you look for the Wi-Fi network that has been created by the AC. So it is usually going to be titled something like LG Electronics and then AC. All that you have to do is connect to this Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you are in close proximity of the air conditioner. And as long as your smartphone connects to the network that the air conditioner created, it is going to be detected and used on the LG ThinQ app. It is now going to be available for you to manage within the home screen of the application, like this device for example. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect air conditioner with mobile LG. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.